Let's use four of them.
Yes.
Let's use four of them.
Close your mouth. Close your mouth when you eat.
I'm not chewing this anymore. Okay, let's use only one, okay?
You just spit it out and eat it again. That's stupid. Your hands are dirty.